Hi everyone, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to program, or rather how I program the sound in Mystic. This is the kind of thing that I do generally when I'm programming short sequence sounds. So in other words, you've got a MIDI loop or something playing and it's repeating over and over, so what you want is the sound to evolve a little bit so it doesn't sound static. So from here we're going to go straight to the oscillator 1 and I'm going to start modulating the waveform setting here. So I'm going to switch it over to square, and I'm going to modulate up to pulse, and back down to sawtooth, and I don't want to do it too much. So I'm just going to switch this out to the waveform modulation here, and increase the amount. Another thing I'm going to do is introduce a little bit of pitch modulation. That's done here with the mod wheel. This is actually set to triangle, as is this. So I like that very much. You can now bring in the filter into this equation. Now none of these are on right now, this is the initialized patch, it's just what it looks like. But we're only just listening to oscillator 1 here. So let's bring down the filter. So we've got a few things we can work with here. We've got keyboard tracking, so this is where low notes, well basically as the notes go higher, they open up the filter more. That's 1 to 1. As you go up, it opens up the filter. 2 to 1 just does the same thing, but it's more exaggerated. Now this is really nice with high resonance settings. I'm going to go with a 12 dB filter here. And I'm going to increase the release times. What this does is it has the filter sort of play along with the melody and interact more with it. And we can also introduce the envelope here on a very short decay, which is good. At a high resonance setting, we can have it just create a little click. If we bring the intensity down a little bit, we can open up the decay, still get a very nice sound. What I'm going to do here is introduce the sensitivity as well of the envelope to velocity. And that takes advantage of the fact that we have different velocity outputs here in the melody. So we've got a really nice sound going now. I'm going to bring in some filter modulation too. Bring in oscillator 2. We have some other clips here too. And if you wanted to, you could bring in hard sync. Switch this over to oscillator 2 pitch modulation. And we could of course bring down the resonance like this. Give ourselves a very short, plucky envelope setting. It plays off really well with the delay setting. So that sums up everything I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully, although it is a bit off the cuff, hopefully you got some decent amount out of that, and it helps you program, gives you some ideas when you're programming the Sub37. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.